Hello children, I hope you all have understood exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 that I have explained you in previous classes. Today I am going to explain BODMAS rule and Roman numerals. Let's continue BODMAS rule. This rule depicts the correct sequence in which the operations are to be executed so as to be find out the value of a given expression. In simple words, we say that it is the correct order to solve the simplification step by step. Here, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. I hope you all aware with these all terms. We have to use this rule in this sequence only. Use of brackets. We use the brackets to make our calculation easy. Let's understand with the help of example. For example, 15 multiplied by 89. Here we replaced 89 by 100 minus 11. Then we will get 15 multiply bracket 100 minus 11 bracket close is equals to 15 multiplied by 100 minus 15 multiplied by 11 is equals to 1500 minus 165 is equals to 1335. Second example, 18 multiply 105 is equals to 18 multiply 100 plus 5 is equals to 18 multiply by 100 plus 18 multiply by 5 is equals to 1800 plus 90 is equals to 1890. Here we replaced 105 by 100 plus 5. Now next topic, types of bracket. In numerical expression, we use 4 types of bracket. First, line bracket. Second, small bracket. Third, curly bracket. Fourth, square bracket. Now let's understand with the help of example. Firstly, we have to remember that we must use the bracket in this sequence. For example, 450 divided by square bracket start 70 plus curly bracket start and then small bracket start 30 plus 70 small bracket close minus 50 minus 30 line bracket and then curly bracket close and then square bracket. According to BODMAS rule, firstly we will solve the bracket, and according to bracket sequence, firstly we will solve the line bracket. That means 50 minus 30. After solving we will get 20. Then expression will become 450 divided by square bracket 70 plus curly bracket small bracket 30 plus 70 small bracket close minus 20 curly bracket close and then square bracket close. Now we will solve small bracket. That means 30 plus 70 that is equals to 100, and expression will become 450 divided by square bracket 70 plus curly bracket start 100 minus 20 curly bracket close and then square bracket close. Now we will solve curly bracket, that means 100 minus 20 and we will get 80. In next expression we will get 450 divided by 70 plus 80 is equals to 150. Then we will get 450 divided by 150. Our next step we will get 3. After division we will get 3, that is the answer. Now let's understand one more example. 36 minus 2 bracket start 20 plus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2 bracket close plus 10. In this question we have given only one bracket, that is small bracket. But in this bracket we have given 4 different operations. So according to BODMAS rule, firstly we will solve the division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. In first step, firstly we will solve the parenthesis, that is bracket. Then in second step we will solve the division, that is 12 divided by 4. After that we will get in third step 36 minus 2 bracket start 20 plus 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2 bracket close plus 10. In third step we will solve the multiplication, that is 3 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by 2, and we will get 36 minus 2 bracket start 20 plus 9 minus 4 bracket close plus 10. In fourth step, we will solve the addition, that is 20 plus 9. 36 minus 2 bracket start, 29 minus 4 bracket close plus 10. In fifth step, we will solve the subtraction, that is 29 minus 4, and we will get 36 minus 2 multiply by 25 plus 10. Here bracket remove with multiplication sign. In seventh step, we again solve the multiplication according to BODMAS rule. 36 minus 2 multiply by 25 plus 10. Here 2 multiply by 25 equals to 50. So we will get 36 minus 50 plus 10. And now we will solve the addition. Here three terms. Here two terms are positive and one term is negative. Positive terms are 36 and 10. So we will add these terms. After addition, we will get 46 and minus 50. Now we will do the subtraction. 46 minus 50, that is equals to minus 4. It is our answer. Now let's continue our next topic, Roman numeral system. Roman numeral system is a method of representing different numbers by using 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Their value in Indian number system is given below. According to Roman number system, we represent all the numbers by using these 7 symbols, where I denotes 1, V denotes 5, X denotes 10, L denotes 50, C denotes 100, D denotes 500 and M denotes 1000. There are some rules for writing the Roman numerals. Rule 1. If a Roman numeral is repeated, its value is added. That means repetition is addition. Among the given Roman numerals, only I, X, C and M can be repeated, but not more than 3 times. V, L and D cannot be repeated. Now let's understand with the help of this example. As you see in this table, I have divided in 3 parts. In first part, I have written 1 time repetition. In second column, I have written 2 time repetition, and in third column, I have written 3 times repetition. That means if number is repeated or symbol is repeated 1 time, then we will get as it is value. That is, I denotes 1, X denotes 10, C denotes 100 and M denotes 1000. But if this symbol repeated 2 times, then it becomes I, that is 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. XX, that is 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. CC, that is 100 plus 100 is equals to 200. MM, that is 1000 plus 1000 is equals to 2000. Now let's see 3 time repetition. In 3 time repetition, first number is I, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. XXX, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 30. CCC, that is 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equals to 300. Next term MMM, that is 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equals to 3000. We cannot write X, that is X 4 times, because we can write only each symbol maximum 3 times. Rule 2. If a Roman numeral having a smaller value is written to the right or after the Roman numeral having greater value, value of both Roman numerals is added. Now let's understand with this table. First number is VII. Here V denotes 5 and I denotes 1. 5 is greater than 1. I have written 5 and then after that I have written 1. That means we have to add these all terms. V denotes 5, 1 denotes 1 and again 1 denotes 1, that is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 7. In a similar manner, I have written XIII, where X denotes 10, I denotes 1. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 13. Next term LXV. Here L denotes 50, X denotes 10, V denotes 5. L is greater number and X and V is a smaller number. 50 is greater than 10 and 10 is greater than 5. And I have written all smaller number right hand side of the greater number. So it will be added, that is 50 plus 10 plus 5 is equals to 65. Next term, MDC. Here M denotes 1000, D denotes 500 and C denotes 100. That is equals to 1000 plus 500 plus 100 is equals to 1600. In this similar manner, we will solve the next terms. Rule 3. If a Roman numeral having a smaller value is written to the left or before of a Roman numeral having greater value, its value subtracted from the Roman numeral having larger value. B part. I can be subtracted from V and X only. C part. X can be subtracted from L and C only. D part. C can be subtracted from D and M only. Now let's understand with the help of this table. First number IV, where I denotes 1 and V denotes 5. 5 is greater than 1. Here I have written 1 on left hand side or before of the 5. So we will subtract 5 and 1 and we will get 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Second, XL. X denotes 10 and L denotes 50. 10 is less than 50 which has written before L. So we have to subtract these two terms. 50 minus 10 is equals to 40. XC. Here X denotes 10 and C denotes 100. 100 is greater than 10 and it has written before C. So we have to subtract and we will get 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. In the similar manner, CD, that is equals to 500 minus 100 is equals to 400. That means if a smaller value has written before the greater value, so we have to subtract these terms. According to B, C and D, I can be subtracted from V and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C only, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. As you can see in Rule 1, Rule 2 and Rule 3. Rule 1 show the symbol of the numbers and Rule 2 show that if a smaller value has written on the right side or after the greater value, so we have to add these terms. And in Rule 3, if a smaller value has written on the left side or before of a greater value, so we have to subtract these terms. Rule 4. The Roman numerals V, L and D cannot be written to the left of the Roman numerals having a greater value. That means V, L and D can never be subtracted from the greater value. Now let's understand with the help of this table. There are two columns. One incorrect, in second I have written correct. Vx. V is 5 and X is 10. 5 is less than 10 and 5 has written on the left side of the 10, so we have to subtract it, but it doesn't follow. In right hand side I have written XB, that means I have to add these terms because 5 is written on the right side of the 10, so we will get 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. LC, it is not follow, but CL, it follows. That means 100 plus 50 is equals to 150. DM, it doesn't follow, but MD, 1000 plus 500 is equals to 1500. Rule 5. If a var is placed over a Roman numeral, then its value multiply by 1000. V var. V denotes 5 and var denotes 1000. That means 5 into 1000 is equals to 5000. X var. X denotes 10 and bar denotes 1000. That means 10 into 1000 is equals to 10,000. L bar. L denotes 50 and bar denotes 1000. That means 50,000. C bar. C denotes 100 and bar denotes 1000. That means 100 into 1000 is equals to 1 lakh. It's a table in which I have written some Roman numerals for your convenience. Now it's the time to summarize the topic Roman numeral system. First, we should memorize the 7 symbols, that is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Second, the following symbols can be repeated up to 3 times to make numbers I, X, C, M. That means we can never repeat any symbol more than 3 times. Third, smaller value symbols that come after larger value ones are added. For example, Vi is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Fourth, smaller value symbols that come before larger value ones are subtracted. For example, IV is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. I hope you must have understood well these two topics. Now I am giving you some practice question. Try to solve. Dear children, this chapter has completed now. From tomorrow we will start a new chapter.